Students, next one, 8 to the power 5, we can write it as a into a into a into a into a is multiplied by itself 5 times. 5 times நம்ம a multiply பண்ணணும். Okay, so 3 to the power 4 இதோட name exponential form. 3 is a base, 4 is a exponent. So how many times we have to multiply? 4. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 is multiplied by itself 4 times. Got it? Next one, 8 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Abdina, see the exponent value is 0. So what is the value? 1. 8 to the power 0 equal to 1. So for example, 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. If any number with the power 0, the value is 1. Got it? Now 8 to the power a, இது எவ்வளோ a இருக்கு? 1a. So 8 to the power 1. Here see how many a's are there? 2. So a square. It can be read it as a square. A into a. So it how many times? 3 times multiply by a. So a to the power cube. Okay, 4 square 4 cube, like that. Same way it can be read it as 4 cubed, 4 square. Okay, got it? இப்போ 4 square na அதோட value எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? 4 into 4 16. Okay, now minus 1 to the power n. minus 1 இந்த power n வந்து nங்கிறது odd natural number இருந்துச்சுனா 1 3 5 7 இது odd numbers, already you know. Okay, so எந்த odd numberல powers வந்துச்சுனா உள்ள இருக்கிற numbers நெகட்டிவா இருந்து அது நம்ம odd numberல பவர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா உங்கள் ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும்? நெகட்டிவ்ல தான் இருக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்கே பாருங்கள், ஒரு -3ங்கிறது ஒரு நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர், அதனுடைய பவர் வந்து எப்படி இருக்காமா? ஆட் நம்பராக இருக்குது. 3ங்கிறது ஆட் நம்பர். ஸோ 3ங்கன்னா நம்ம எவ்வளோ டைம்ஸ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும்? -3 into -3 into -3. இதை நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி we have to find out the answer. ஸோ 3 3s are 9 plus 9, minus into minus plus into -3, 9 3s are 27. இங்கே பாசிட்டிவ் நெகட்டிவ் வந்துச்சுன்னா அதோட ஆன்சர் என்ன இருக்கும்? நெகட்டிவ்ல இருக்கும். அதுதான் இங்கே ஆன்சர் நெகட்டிவ்லன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. காட் இட்? அதே மாதிரி -1 to the power n. என்னங்கிறது ஈவன் நம்பர்ஸாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா 2 4 6 8 10 12 அந்த மாதிரி பவர்ஸ் வந்து ஈவன் நம்பரில் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதனுடைய ஆன்சர் பாசிட்டிவ்ல தான் இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ -3 ஸ்கொயர், -3ங்கிறது ஒரு நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர். இந்த எக்ஸ்பொனன்ட் வந்து பவர் வந்துட்டு 2 டைம்ஸ் ஈவன் நேச்சுரல் நம்பராக இருக்குது. ஸோ -3 into -3, 2 டைம்ஸ்னால் 2 டைம்ஸ் போட்டு நம்ம மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஸோ 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus. Okay students, got it? Then next one, shall we see the example sum? Okay, express the following in exponential form. Now we are going to write it in exponential form. Okay, see here, 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. How many 6 there? 4 6. So how will you write in exponential form? 6 to the power 4. 6 is a base, 4 is a exponent. Then t into t. How will you write this variable? T square. Okay, here see, 8 into 8 into 8 means 8 to the power 3, 8 cube. Here 5 into 5, 5 square into 7 cube. Next one, 2 into 2. So 2 to the power square into 8 to the power cube. Got it students? Next one, find the value of the following. We are going to find the value. 2 to the power 6. Now how will you write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into to 6 2's we are going to write. Okay, so now we are going to multiply this one. 2 2s are 4, again 2 2s are 4, in between you have to put the multiplication, again 2 2s are 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 into 4, what is the answer? 64. Okay, got it students? Then next one, 11 square. How will you write 11 square? Means you have to write it 2 times, 11 into 11. So what is the answer? 11 into 11, 121. Got it? So answer is equal to 121. Now 5 to the power 4. So how will you write? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now we are going to multiply. 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25. What is the answer? 25 into 25. If you don't know, means you have to multiply. Okay. So what is the answer? 5 625. Got it students? Next one, 9 cube. We are going to find the value of 9 cube. So cube means 3 times. So 9 into 9, 81 into 9. Now we are going to multiply. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 72. So what is the answer? 729. Got it students? Next one, express each of the following using exponential form. Okay students, now we are going to see the exponential form. See, let us write the solution. How will you write in the exponential form this number? So we don't know. This is a 500 longest number, largest number. So now we are going to find it as, see here last, we are going to find the division method by using division method. Here 2 is a even number, so shall we take 2 table? 5 how many times? 2 2s are 4, balance 1. So 11 how many times? 5 times 10, remaining 1. So 12 how many times? 6 times. Okay, again take 2 table, 1 times 2, 5, 4, 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, so 8. Again take 2 table, 6 times 4. Again take 2 table, 32. Again take 2 table, 16 times. Okay, again 8 times. Again 2 table, 4 times, 1 times. Okay, so now here see how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So have to write how many 2s are there? 7, 8, 9. So how will you write the answer? 2 to the power 9. So what is the answer? 2 to the power 9. Got it? Same way, next sum 243. How will you write this one? 243. Shall we take 3 tables? See, 3 is the odd number. Shall we take 3 table? 24 how many times? 8 times. 3 1 times. Okay. Again take 3 table. How many times? 2 times 6, balance 2, so 7 times, 27 times. Okay. Again take 3 table, 9 times. Again take 3 table, 3 3s are 9. Again 3 table, 1 times. So this can be written as 3 into, how many 3s are there? 5 3s. So what is the answer? 3 to the power 5. Got it students? Okay. Then 7 to the power 729. Okay. Shall we take 9 table? Okay. 9 table edutha 72 how many times? 8 times. 81 9 times. Again take 9 table. 9 9s, sorry, 9 table, 9 times 9 9s are 81. Again take 9 1 times 9. So what is the answer? 9 into 9 into 9. Okay students, so what is the answer? 9 cube. Got it? Then 325, sorry, 3125. At last it has 5, so shall we take 5 table? Okay, so 5 table at the 38 glama. Okay, 6 times. The division method already we studied. So 5 6 are 30, balance 1. So 12 are the 5 2s are 10, balance 2. 25 how many times? 5 times. Again take 5 table. 5 1 times, balance 1. 5 2s are 10, balance 2, 5. Again take 5 table. How many times? 12. 2 times 10, balance 2. 25 5 times. Again take 5 5 times. So what is the answer? How many 5s are there? 5 5s are there. So what is the answer? 5 to the power 5. So answer is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay, got it student? 5 is a base, 5 here, 5 also exponent. Okay.